So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you is the Netbox browser is safe for you, safe for everything or not. So guys, just go on my channel, just like all the videos and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos about how to earn money in a day. So guys, we can start the video. Guys, firstly I will say you go on my channel, like all the videos. In video I will give you a link in a description box. You just click on the description box, you just click on the link, you will get your NBX coin for free, you will get your Netbox browser. So guys, it is very safe to use, it is very safe for emails, it is very safe for wallet. So guys, I will make an account for you. You will just see my wallet here. So guys, I will make money in a week from this browser. So guys, you also make money from this browser. I will give you a link, you just click on the link, you will get your wallet for free. Guys, just you will make your wallet, you will get NBX coin in a minute. You just go on the description box, just click on the link and you will get your NBX coin. So guys, Netbox global browser provides you wallet. So guys, in this browser I will make money in a week. Guys, you just go on my channel, just click on the link, you will get a referral link. You just click on the link, you will get NBX coin for free. In this browser, it will provide you buy NBX coin wallet. You will send NBX coin to another person. You will buy. You will get a lottery. You will just make money in a lottery. So guys, this global provides you many more. So guys, just download it and make money in a day. Guys, thanks for watching.